Hey there, today I'm going to show you my DJI Osmo Action for settings and workflow for achieving cinematic results. Starting with the settings, in terms of resolution, I always shoot in 4K for the best image quality. As for the frame rate, I shoot at either 25, 50 or 100 frames per second. If I want a super slow motion shot, I'll set it to 100p. If I don't want any slow motion at all, I'll set it to 25p. And if I want something in between, then I'll set it to 50p. For the best stabilization performance, I use HorizonSteady Plus. It does crop a bit more than normal HorizonSteady, but it delivers better results. You also have the option to record gyro data with the Action 4 and stabilize the clips manually in post-production. Some say it gives better results, but I personally prefer to stabilize everything in camera. I think the HorizonSteady stabilization is more than good enough, and it saves me a lot of time rather than importing all the clips to my computer, opening up a gyro flow and then stabilizing every single clip manually. Next, in the image adjustment menu, I set the noise reduction to -1 and sharpness to -2. From the test I've done, setting the noise reduction to -1 delivers the most optimal results. At -2, the image looks too grainy, and at +1, it looks unnatural. As for the sharpness, I prefer to add sharpness myself in post-production. However, if you don't want to do that, you can set it to 0 in camera. It works fine as well. Next, for the most part, I use the standard D-Warp field of view, unless I'm shooting action sports, in which case I'll switch to ultra wide. As for the color, I shoot everything in D-Log M. It provides the widest dynamic range and the most natural looking colors out of the Action 4.